To crop video in VLC Media Player, go to Tools and click Effects and Filters. Go to Video Effects and select Crop. Over here, if you want to have even crop on all sizes, check this synchronize top, bottom, left and right. Now type in values in pixels. For example, top and bottom to be 200 pixels and left and right to be 500 pixels. As you can see, we cropped the video, but we have a few steps to do to save this. Go Tools, Preferences. In Show Settings, click All. Go to the Video tab and click Filters. Over here, find Crop Add. Now add the values in the fields that you added at the beginning. Top and bottom 200 and left and right 500. Click Filters and enable Video Cropping Filter. And click Save. Okay, the last step is to save this new video. Go to the Media and select Convert Save option. Over here, add your video. Click Convert from the drop-down menu. Choose the MP4 format, it's the first one. And now click on the little wrench icon and go to Video Codec. Go Filters. Enable Video Cropping Filter. Click Save. Choose where you want to save your cropped video. Click Save and hit Start. You can check your video in the folder you choose. Now, if you don't want to crop every video you open, you need to disable cropping. Go Tools, Preferences and click Reset Preferences. And this is how you crop videos using a VLC Media Player. Thanks for watching, drop some comments below if you find this helpful and have a nice day.